Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a jail brick with Takis. First, gather your ingredients: a bag of Takis, some hot water, and a sturdy mixing bowl. Begin by crushing your Takis into a very fine powder. The finer the powder, the smoother and more cohesive your brick will be. You can use your hands, a rolling pin, or even a blender for this step. This ensures a consistent texture for the final product. Now that you have a thick Takis paste, it's time to shape your brick. Press the mixture firmly into your chosen mold. You can use a small container, a plastic bag, or even just your hands to form a compact shape. Make sure to press out any air pockets to create a dense and solid brick. Lining your mold with plastic wrap can make removal much easier later on. Once your Takis brick is formed, the next crucial step is drying. Place your brick in a well-ventilated area and allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours. For best results, flip the brick periodically to ensure even drying on all sides. A completely dry brick will feel hard and firm to the touch, indicating it's ready for the next stage. Once your Takis jail brick is completely dry, it's ready to enjoy. This spicy, crunchy creation is perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. Remember to store your finished brick in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and prevent it from getting stale. And hey, while you're enjoying your snack, don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.